On this video, we'll study how to decode and pick TIBBE keys in the easiest way. These discs are removed from Ford trunk locks. First of all, we have to find the depths of these discs. Pay attention. Every disc has one big gap. One depth has one big and three small gaps. Two depths has one big and three small gaps. Three depths has one big and three small gaps. Four depths has only one big gap. Remember, we'll act big gaps as decoding space. And then how to use decoder to get code from the lock. Insert it into the lock and remove the pin. Push all the lifters to the end. The last one could not be moved. We don't need to pick the lock ahead of time. We just decode directly from the lock. If the position cannot be moved, the code here is 4. And we act the lifter that cannot be moved as a tension bar. The next, gently touch the lifter and feel the swing at the gap. The first position is minor swing. Don't give force, just touch and feel. Let's touch and feel the second position. It also has minor swings. The third position has the same swing. And now let's touch the fourth swing. The fourth position has major swings. Let's touch the fifth position. Feel this position that is minor swing. Only fifth is major swing. Let's touch and feel these try again. Minor swing, same, also the same. Major swing, minor swing. Only the fourth is different. And now let's get the key code together. Start from the first one. If you feel that is small gap, please click and go to another gap. And then you find that is major swing at a big gap. Here you can confirm the code. Click one time. The code is 2. The second position is the same. If you feel that is minor wing, click and go to another gap. It's still a minor swing. Go on clicking again. Now it is major swing at a big gap. Here the code is 3. The next, we have to decode the third position. In the same way, if you feel the space is very tight, click and go to another gap. The space is still tight. Click again. We found the big gap before clicking 2 times. The code is also 3. The fourth space is major swing at a big gap. The code is 1. The fifth, if you feel it tight, click. Meanwhile, the lock is picked. The fifth position, click one time. The code is 2. The 6 positions that cannot be moved is 4. All code is here. Did you manage to get the operation? Finally, we'll get a new key by these codes. We'll cut this key by the M2 tank CNC key cutting machine. First of all, turn on the Bluetooth and connect it. The second step is to enter decode by bidding's option. Select FO21. Here we can see the guide video that how to install the jaw and key blank. Here we have to remove the probe from the machine. And then install the special clamp on it. Tighten the screws. Here is the USB port. It's power for this clamp. Connect with it. Depending on the guide video to install the key blank. Insert the key blank into the clamp. Use the spanners to tighten the screws again. Finally, follow this video to make the key flat. All is ready. Click Continue. Input the key code 233124. Click Cut. Click Continue to cut this key. All sides rotate automatically while cutting. It looks nice for angles. Try to turn the lock on. It's trunk lock. Door lock. Perfect.